Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating and highly sought-after coins in the world of numismatics, the 1968 D. Lincoln penny, a coin that has captured the imagination of collectors and investors alike because of its rarity, its unique history, and the staggering market value that can reach $82,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, $82,000 for a single Lincoln penny. This is not just a coin, this is a piece of history, a small copper treasure that can transform a collection and even a life if you are lucky enough to find one. The story of the 1968 D. Lincoln penny begins with the minting process at the Denver Mint, where this particular penny was produced in limited quantities, making it extraordinarily rare for collectors who know what to look for. The 1968 D penny stands out not only because of its mint mark but also because of subtle variations and minting errors that make it extremely valuable. There are coins with die cracks, double dies, and other unique characteristics that can send the value even higher in auctions worldwide. Collectors and enthusiasts are always on the lookout for these pennies, and they are willing to pay top dollar for an authentic 1968 D. Lincoln penny. The coin itself features the classic design with Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, the profile that has been iconic since its first introduction in 1909, and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, a symbol of American heritage and history. The penny is made primarily of copper and has that distinctive reddish-brown patina that many collectors prize for its beauty and authenticity. The value of this coin is influenced by its condition. Coins that are in mint state, uncirculated condition with no scratches, no wear, and perfect luster can fetch the highest prices, while coins that have circulated show signs of wear and may still be valuable but not to the same extreme. The $82,000 estimate is typically for a coin that has been professionally graded by trusted grading companies and certified for its authenticity and quality. Grading can make a huge difference in the final market value because buyers want to be certain they are investing in a genuine rare coin. What makes the 1968 D. Lincoln penny even more interesting is its place in history. The late 1960s was a time of significant social and political change in the United States, and even though a penny may seem small, it represents the era it was minted in and holds stories of the people who used it, the countless transactions it was involved in, and the journey it has taken from minting to collectors' hands today. Every scratch, every shine, every detail tells a story that is more than just monetary. It is a story of heritage and American culture. Finding a 1968 D. Lincoln penny can feel like a treasure hunt for collectors. Many check coin rolls in banks, estate sales, flea markets, and online auctions with hopes of discovering this gem. There are documented cases where someone casually going through old coin collections found a 1968 D. Lincoln penny tucked away in a jar or a drawer and suddenly discovered a fortune hiding in plain sight. The excitement and thrill of potentially finding such a coin is part of what makes collecting Lincoln pennies so addictive and captivating for enthusiasts of all ages. The rarity of this coin is also a reflection of minting numbers. In 1968, the Denver Mint produced fewer coins than some other years, making the D mint mark significantly harder to find compared to pennies from the Philadelphia Mint or other years. In general, collectors always pay close attention to mint marks because they can dramatically influence the value of a coin. A simple letter on the coin can mean the difference between a few dollars and tens of thousands of dollars in value. Another fascinating aspect is the different grades that the 1968 D. Lincoln penny can achieve. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to perfect mint state, and small differences in condition can result in exponential differences in value. A penny that is barely circulated might be worth a few $1,000s, while a flawless mint state coin can reach the $82,000 mark. Collectors and investors follow auctions and private sales closely because they understand the impact that condition has on pricing, and competition for rare coins is fierce. Collectors also pay attention to small details such as the strike of the coin, the sharpness of Lincoln's features, the smoothness of the edges, and the color of the metal. Over time, copper develops a natural patina that can add to a coin's appeal. Some collectors even prefer coins with a rich reddish-brown color, while others look for coins that retain more of their original luster. The 1968 D. Lincoln penny offers a fascinating variety in this regard, making each coin unique and adding to its collectability and investment potential. The coin market is dynamic and ever-changing, and the 1968 D. Lincoln penny has proven to be one of the most resilient and high-value collectibles in recent history. As investors look for tangible assets, the allure of rare coins has increased dramatically. They are portable, tangible, and hold intrinsic historical value. Unlike paper investments, this coin can be held, examined, and admired, while also representing a substantial financial asset, making it both a hobby and a strategic investment for collectors worldwide. When considering investing in a 1968 D. Lincoln penny, it is important to know where to buy and How to verify authenticity. Trusted coin dealers, auction houses, and certified grading companies are key resources for collectors serious about purchasing a high-value coin. Authenticity is paramount because there are counterfeit coins in circulation, and professional grading ensures the coin is genuine and that its value is properly documented. This adds security and confidence to high-stakes purchases and protects collectors from potential fraud. Throughout the video, we have explored the history, the rarity, the minting details, and the staggering market value of the 1968 D Lincoln penny. We have seen why collectors are so passionate about this coin and how it represents not just financial opportunity, but a piece of American history and culture. Whether you are a seasoned collector or someone just discovering the fascinating world of rare coins, the 1968 D Lincoln penny is an unforgettable treasure that can captivate and inspire as we continue to explore rare coins like the 1968 D Lincoln penny. It is clear that each coin tells a story, each coin carries history, and each coin has the potential to change the life of a collector. With its rarity, its beauty, and its value, the excitement of the hunt, the thrill of discovery, and the joy of holding a piece of history in your hand is unparalleled, and this coin embodies everything that makes collecting Lincoln pennies and rare coins so addictive and rewarding for enthusiasts around the world.